I'm Hunter. I'm your host for all things meat and liquor related. Welcome to Zero Meat 30. This week on Zero Meat 30, I'm going to be making one of my personal favorites, ham. We picked up a ham for about $12. Everybody really enjoys ham. I'm too social. This week on Zero Meat 30, we're going to do one of my personal favorites, ham. Everybody likes ham. This video sucks, that's for sure. Alright, so the ham's been smoking now for an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. Now I'm going to go take a look at it and see what it's looking like. So overall, the ham was good. We had good smoke, we had good seasoning, we had good flavor, we had a great glaze. The issue with the ham was around the whole ham was a very thick, fatty layer. So you had this separation of glaze, fat, meat. So you weren't able to get glaze and meat in the same bite. There was that separation there. And that also kept us from getting a lot of that flavor penetrated into the meats. So I am a big fan of the Aldi groceries. I think they have some great groceries, but I'm afraid I can't do their ham anymore because my ham was lacking significantly due to the quality of ham that I had. That layer of fat really put a damper on this ham. Now the meat still wasn't bad. The outside had the nice, sweet, sticky glaze on it. Kind of unusable at that point. But the inside was still pretty good for like a ham sandwich, but it wasn't super flavorful. It did not have a good smoke flavor to it. It was just ham. I could have baked that ham in the oven. Totally could have. So, not to bash Aldi on this one because I still use Aldi a lot, but the quality of ham really affected the way that this cook turned out. If you liked this video and this at-home guide and you like my at-home style videos, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Zero Meat 30.